There's the polo field. But on the north side of Highway 72, there's 3 utility poles broke in half. They're still up in the air, but they're broke in half. There's one. See, it's still hanging on. Here's another one. It's still up in the air a little bit. It's wound up in the trees some. And then I'm gonna run out of room, but there's a third one down here. Let's see how close I can get. There's a third one down here that's still hanging up in the air also. We'll see if you can, there he is, hanging up in the air.